Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. I am doing a graduation 2-page layout right now. Oh, before I forget, please subscribe below and you'll get my videos in your feeds when you go to YouTube. Okay, so this is my granddaughter's grade 8 graduation, and so she's wearing a black and white polka dot, oh the glare, a polka dot dress. So and there's the grad photo that I have to work with, so I was going to put that there. So here's the because of COVID they couldn't have a great big, she missed a great big grad, so they had an outdoor get together and everybody drove there, and it was not the big event she had expected, and she had already bought a dress for it. So that was, I guess a lot of kids went through that. So the paper that I'm using for this is from Simple Stories Carpe Diem pad. I've used this polka dot for a background, and I'm using this stripe for a frame. And there's a pencil border here. I'm going to show it to you because I love it. This border I cut out. I'm fussy cutting it. So that's what this is down here. I've made one for you so that I don't expect you to have the same papers as me. So it's just to give you an idea of using a patterned paper, a border of some sort. Okay, so on this page I did find some grad images. I found a hat, a title, and this I thought was cute. And now this one, they're all throwing their caps, so I thought it'd be cute to have them go up onto the photos. I picked a frame. It's actually a label, and this one is a frame from I think it's, let's see, the frame is from Small Talk Frames and Tags. Excuse me, sorry. I created a shadow for this one. This I didn't use a shadow on. I didn't create one for this. And I cut this photo into an oval, and I think that's about it. So I'm going to cut this out, and we're going to put this page together and embellish it. Okay, so let's put this page together. My photos are cropped already, and I've got frames for each of them. That's a shadow matte for that one, and here's the frame for that. So let's tape these together, then I'll be able to place things on the page. You can find this and all my Design Space links for all my pages on my website. You should go there, and you know what? There's links there for my Facebook groups. I would love it if you'd join my Facebook groups and post some of your pages. That'd be wonderful. I think it gets boring if it's just my pages posted all the time. It's nice to have others. There are some beautiful pages in the groups that other people post too. Okay, that one's going to go there, and this one, I held the pink behind this photo, but because she has a blue ribbon on, I didn't like it at all. I just looked at it and yuck. So I switched it to blue, and it looks a lot better. Okay, so now we know what's happening here. Okay, I fussy cut this out so that it would make a really cute border for a school page. Love that right there. And I think I'll leave it over top of this. Oh, it doesn't have to be. We're good. All right, so underneath this photo is where I'm putting all these grads throwing their hats. I have all the hats here, so I'll have to place them so that they show up on the photos and maybe on the frame. This one can be here. I have to make sure that the tassels are on white so that they show up. It's kind of cute. It's a cute image. Nice idea. Okay, and on this side we have our hat. I embossed it with I have grad hat embossing folder, so I just did that with it, and then this goes on to there. This is the other image of grads for here, and this was here. Now, I thought this was kind of vacant because this has a lot of black on this side, so it seemed to be too heavy over here. So I found this in the pad. It's just like a card or a journaling card or something. So I decided to put it back here, and I'm going to raise it up so that the pencils show like that, and then put this on there so it fills in the space there. It repeats what's here, fills it in, so it anchors these the title and the photo, and I like that better, but I'm still not so sure. So I went into my stash and I found this border that I'm going to put right at the bottom, and that gives them something to stand on. And I got another one for this side, so I'm going to put this here, and I'm going to put it under the pencil border like that, and then this can just run excuse me, it can just rest right on top. Now I guess this page is pretty well done, but I went into my stash to look for some grad things, and I found this. It says hats off to the grad, so I thought that was kind of perfect because they're throwing their hats, so I thought that was perfect for there. And this says I'm the grad with a Brad on it, so I thought that would be cute up there. This is yeah, grade 8 grad. So now I think I'm going to do some enamel dots. All right, so let's put some of these on. I'm going to use, I guess I'll use this tool. I'm going to put something on the corner there. One. I like to do them in 2s or 3s. There, 1, 2, 3. Maybe I'll do one in the middle of this. Whoops, went flying. There, in the middle of that hat. And I think I'm going to put one on the grad title right there. I'm not too sure. This is a bit empty over here. Maybe if I move this. like it better. I just play around with it until I like it. I do like it better. I wonder if I'd like it better if the pencil ends were showing. So I could cut it here. No, I don't like that. I prefer it this way. That's just the way I do it. I play around until I get it the way I like it. Okay, I prefer it like that. And it brings in some of those little prints on some of the pencils too. They're pretty. Because it is a girl page too. Alright, so I'm guessing this page is done. I hope you enjoyed it. And I hope it gives you ideas for your own grad pages. Thank you for watching.